They are asking us to be able to find the exact value of 5 pi over 12. Now remember, they can always plug it into the calculator and get a decimal, but that's not going to be exact. The exact values of angles that we have in radians are pi over 6, which is your 30 degrees, pi over 4, which is your 45, pi over 3, which is your 60, and your pi over 2, which is your 90 degrees. Now, since we are working with 12ths, we want to be able to change everything to 12ths. So therefore, I'm going to multiply by 2. It gives me 2 pi over 12. I'm going to multiply by 3 to make it into 12ths. So it gives me 3 pi over 12. I'll multiply by 4 to make it into 12ths. So it'll be 4 pi over 12. I'm going to multiply by 6. So it gives me 6 pi over 12. And we are going to have to use our sum formula. So therefore, I need to, or difference formula. I'm looking for two of the angles that added or subtracted will give me 5 pi over 12. In this case, this is a little easier to see, so I know that it's going to be added those two will give me 2 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12 will give me 5 pi over 12. So we're going to replace the 5 pi over 12 with 2 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12. And now before I use the formula, I'm going to go ahead and simplify it. I'm going to reduce them back to the original. Sine, which will be pi over 6 plus pi over 4. And now I'm going to use my formula, is the one with the positive. Pi over 6 will be the value of A, and B will be pi over 4. So it gives me sine of pi over 6 cosine of B, which is pi over 4, plus cosine of pi over 6, which is A, cosine of B, which is pi over 4. And I just need to be able to evaluate it. Sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. Cosine of pi over 4 is the square of 2 over 2. At this point, you should have those memorized. Cosine of pi over 6 is square of 3 over 2. And sine of pi over 4 is square of 2 over 2. We are going to multiply it out, so it gives me the square of 2 over 4 plus the square of 6 over 4. And since they have the same denominator, I can combine them into one fraction. And remember, you cannot add square of 2 plus square of 6, so it just stays as this. If we want an approximate answer, we can just step into the calculator to confirm that they're equivalent.